Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka court admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Superintendent of Police ka is khasi herza strict about Vivek's aim IPS. Ulo ang plan jong ka Sonam Raghuvanshi bat ki parlok jong ka kalong rakumway banlat nagi Pulit hindre ka plan jong ka Phlop no na marbatang hapo anyo Sngi kila syakyam no. Uliat ho bahaduk minta ki Pulit ki dangkat tu kat ni ya ka plan jong ki na marba ompat yo Tohkit bha hindre hadin kan sapau andai klayok board na ki bishar ban Tohkit. Uliat ho bagi Pulit ki Kwah ban Tohkit dikini sangot shipho Sngi. Shushu halor ka jingkeli lakin Ïalam no la Sohra ni bakin let peni jaga jaka bagi penyap USP uloong bakin empat Ïalam la syai hendakin hap Tohkit baha bat hadin belada Tohkit kin hap hi ban Ïalam. Ha ka biade bagi jing syak keno kinong shong ka Sohra pat uloong bagi nong Sohra kidegi bri ki babaha bat kilayarap ru yaki Pulit ha por bawat bat ban syat bantiu ban penkre bamru.
Ia kata ngipat sedang interrogation hati ngala menong hai ke dokti ta no tangi ngiri arase ka begitu sebut ke dokti ke dokti ndai ban confession ka ditang hakut mo ia kata si ngila dia interrogation ngila ban petikna ka no kalau ka involvement joka kalau kuno but the details jongka involvement joka hari ka crime ngila ban petikna ti haba kilale lagi suto hi haba kala ka crime te hab efeknya in hab area te tamban lagi ki Pulit ka plan kalong kundo kumway andai ka pulam no ka plan ba tangadin news ni syakem no ka plan ki ka Phlop ami ka plan ya kata tharu plan ho ngila yo bits and pieces andai ya kata ka tharu plan in petikna hi adin ban la interrogation full plan ke ka plan ki ngila yo bits and pieces niki accuse maka full plan exactly means your activity.
Last night we actually was there in transit only. So one team had reached at night or early morning, and the other team had reached this morning at around 8:39. So both different timings, and after that medical examinations have been done of the accused, and be producing in court. I think as we speak now, production will be taking place. So that is activity which has happened since yesterday.
So what about the interrogation?
Interrogation will start very soon. Once we've got the remand in order, police remand, interrogation will start. See, I don't know, we have not brought and we have not even got our remand out here yet. Let us not speculate. There are so many things that preliminary interrogation and preliminary investigation was done in those states. They may have divulged some things, but these things need to be confirmed and need to be corroborated and need to be backed with evidence.
So how many days will be seeking custody of them?
See, we are, I think we are asking for 10 days, and if we require more, we will extend our request for remand.
Any more arrests apart from these 5?
No, 5 till now. And then as investigation progresses, then we will be able to ascertain whether only these people involved or other people involved.
Will be taken to Sohra tomorrow?
No, not tomorrow yet.
You are not decided?
No. We have to examine them first. Once the examination has been finalized, statements recorded, we get to the facts of the matter and all that, then SIT will decide on a date where they will go for reconstruction of crime scene. We get the facts of the matter. No, I mean right now the facts are fluid. One person would say something, another person say something. So once we confirm the facts, these are the facts after we interrogate. We'll have to interrogate all that. What is the fact of the matter? Some people could, because it always happens in a crime when they catch a group of people, one person will throw the ball to the other. So whose role is exactly, what was his role, we need to ascertain. And after we've ascertained everybody's role out there, then we'll do the reconstruction. Otherwise, we'll have to do reconstruction 2-3 times, and it's not feasible. There were a lot of speculative reports and all that, and it is always the best of things that for the safety and safeguards have to be taken. That when we are taken to custody and all that, to ensure that our health is of utmost importance.
So are family and members involved with Sonam
And yang mentah ting nidang kaji Tohkit kadang senang. Nila ya kaji Tohkit nila pentit dan shoot betul tina.
Dia duk mentah pak lungut kibla syakin.
Yang mentah te sanut kila syaras, but mentah production bidang production mentah. Suatu pakla ya kata transit demand kaba na Madhya Pradesh ba transit demand na Hazipur. Transit demand kabut ba hapor Ruski na MP ni produce na hakak kod ni amba hapor hadin Ruski ni Ïalam biang sa Madhya Pradesh. Ne hadin Laisni ni Ïalam biang sa Hazipur. Dikata kadi ketang kapor pagin aikin hajar ya brio amni hakut juni. Kadi ketang tak kapor kapor ba aini. Ini pada ingin par polis custody pashosi dan kamshu in panshu.
So, on the security front, do you see any issues, like probably from the locals, so are there, because after all these events that have taken place?
No, I don't see any issues, but we'll take preventive measures. People of Sohra are not violent, and even like I said earlier also, when there was such negative narrative, yet they continued to help in research, they continued to help in providing information, they cooperated, they cooked food for the research team and all that, and so I don't see any threat, but nonetheless police will just take preventive measures.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.